In this course, we will understand about the inner join in SQL. Inner join returns records that have matching values in both tables. Graphical representation of inner join. This is the graphical representation of inner join. If we consider this graphical representation, we have two tables like table 1 and table 2, and the intersection area which is colored by green. Here this green section denotes the common part of these two tables. This resultant area indicates the inner join area. Now let's take a look in a query window. In previous tutorial we discussed about the creation of two tables and populated data for salary head and salary head type. Now we just want to see the values of salary head type. Select star from salary head type, just execute this. Yes, we have three records: addition, deduction, deposit. Now we will select a star from salary head, execute this. Yes, we have nine records here, and if we run both table, here we have records for salary head type. Two for deposit, one for addition, and 3 for deposit here. So if we want to select the common things from these two tables, we have to create the inner join here. So let's create the inner join for these two tables. Select star from salary head, inner join, salary head type. This is the alias, this is the aliases. So on assist dot id equal assist dot salary head type, and now we will select from salary head type all the fields from salary head type. First we need to select id. Just go there, click on column and drag this. Yes, we have possible columns here. Now we will rearrange. We can rearrange to for your convenient. So we have to use sh before every column name, because we used alias here for salary head table. So problem has gone. But if I want to see the name of salary head, we have to show from sht dot salary head, salary head type. This is salary head type. If I run this script by using inner join between two tables, so yes, this is the addition, and number 2 for ID 5 is deduction, and the remaining 7, 8, 9 for addition. So our inner join is applied between two tables, salary head and salary head type. Here we have only common data are returned here, because we have 3 records here, 1, 2 and 3, but we use only 1 and 2 ID in salary head table. And if we select this, yes, we have 2 IDs for salary head type, 1 and 2, and that's for reason we have not found the deposit ID 3 in salary head. This is the main reason of inner join, because inner join is applicable for both two tables or more tables if have the common common values between two tables, common IDs or common values between two tables. Here we have 1 and 2 is available in salary head. That's for a reason we have only 1 and 2 and data for addition and deduction, but here deposit is not available. In this way we can apply the inner join between two tables. Thank you.